Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be installing MAD secondary downpipes on Suhail's M8. We're going to do a comparison from completely stock with stock downpipes. We're only changing the secondary, so we're going to leave the primaries due to warranty. We're going to do some before clips and after clips. Then I'll take you guys along for the process. But yeah, we got some things going on in the shop. Got Suhail's M4 getting wrapped in satin black. I just have the front bumper left. Pretty clean. Nice. Suhail is here. So we got her up in the air right now. We gotta take off this cover. We gotta take off this braces, this plastics, because we have to drop the exhaust. You guys heard what she sounded like a little bit. We're hoping to get a little more beefiness out of it. We're gonna take out these secondary cats. She's steaming right now. She's hot. We're gonna get those two bolts over there and these two bolts up there. So right now, while it cools down a little, we're going to take off all those plastics and everything. Guys, so we got the exhaust out. It's a little pain in the butt, but we got it out. Now we got to move up here. We have to disconnect the expansion tanks, take off this heat shield so we can get access to the clamps on the secondary downpipes. So we finally got the secondary downpipes in. We're gonna do a little cold start with no exhaust, so it only has primary cats right now. Are you guys ready? Kinda sounds like shit. Kinda sounds bad, I'm not gonna lie. Right? It sounds a little bad. We'll give it a little baby rev. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. I think it sounds like poo-poo. It's loud, but it sounds like shit. Alright, Amir, I need you to hold the camera. You're going to do the honors for the first cold start of Suhail's M8 Grand Coupe competition with MAD secondary. Put on next person. Crowbar saves the day. Oh. Thoughts? Thoughts?
Sounds the same. Sounds the same to me.
Sounds the same. Nah. No, we have to open the valves. Hold on. Let her warm up a little bit. We'll give her some revs.
And here's gonna be louder.
Yeah, that's way loud. Yeah, it is. That sounds good. Happy? It sounds good. Do some revs closed. Happy?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. That actually sounds way louder, right?
You get pops. It's much.
Turbos are spooling. Let's get over there. He's gonna do some flybys for us. Send it! It's loud. It's coming back around. I'm gonna get this on my phone too. I approve. For just changing secondary downpipes, it makes such a big difference. I like it, but it's cold. It's cold. He's still going. Thoughts? Are you happy? Yeah, it sounds way better, right?
Way better.
Do a little pull here. Holy shit! Alright guys, this is gonna end this video. The difference is actually pretty good. I've never heard it before with just secondaries being catless and the rest stock exhaust. It does sound pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Because people always ask me, what does it sound like? Did you, like when I did my exhaust, if I had just done secondaries and then put the exhaust, but I didn't. But now I know what it sounds like and it sounds pretty good. Like it's loud, but it's not crazy loud. Yeah, I think he's happy. It's like the perfect amount. If you guys enjoyed the video and if you have an M8 or an M5 and you wanted to know how that combination would sound with your exhaust, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos. And until the next one, we're out.